Smart Antenna Technologies, we are a UK-based technology company. We provide complete antenna system solution for the future.
We tackle difficult antenna problems from different devices and gadgets. So what we're doing is put antennas very close to each other, maintain the same RF performance.
Since 2013, we already built a number of key IPs, and now we have a solution for market like smartphone, laptop, Internet of Things, and connected cars. We can provide better in performance, smaller in size, and cost effective.
You are seeing more devices and with more wireless technologies integrated inside, and there's a need for a better antenna system to maintain a good user experience.
To do that, we're going to have to find ways of putting antennas elsewhere in very small spaces, and that we are showing here on the stand today, particularly this beam steerable Wi-Fi antenna, which we call the invisible antenna because once it's installed, you really can't see it.
We can change the beams of the Wi-Fi antennas in order to avoid the noise source to increase the data rate. We can put the antenna on the top of the screen and only occupy 6.5 millimeters.
So the Wi-Fi beam switching solution would help the user to get a better experience because they will expect a higher data rate at all times and maintain an optimum performance on the antenna side.
And we also created our own algorithm to support the beam steering as well. We already come up with the global first 4-port hinge antenna for laptop, and also we have other solution to make the antenna even smaller form factor. So in the next couple of years, we can become a global leader to provide antenna solution for LTE for laptops, high-end device.
We also see the opportunity now, because we've shrunk the antenna so significantly, we can start to bring this technology into the handset market as well.
Our antenna can be used in most mobile devices and also the most trendy equipment such as IoT devices and vehicle applications as well.
Clearly, as we get autonomous cars, self-driving cars, cars need to know where they are relative to other vehicles, other bollards, other pedestrians in the road. So the vehicles will have to speak to each other. What we look for is to present a package to the automotive industry where we can give an antenna unit which will do all sorts of things.
Isolation is one of the key issues, but as SAT, we come up with a number of IP or solutions. We can solve those isolation problems and bring lots of antenna into small form factor.
When we started out into the market, we designed these devices with some fairly costly processes. As we move forward, we've begun to understand how we can drive down the cost and push ourselves into the larger and larger volume markets.
Smart antenna is capable of different manufactured technologies, LDS, FPC, and normal FPCB, as well as some nanotechnologies.
We come up with a number of different IP for the fabrication. We can using a standard manufacturing process to do the fabrication. From that, we can make the whole antenna better in performance and also cost effective.
And we work very closely with a small group of manufacturers to continually drive down the cost. And I also should say upgrade the performance and quality of our products as we go forward.